Welcome to ep4 with my meal deal, and today we are off to Tesco's, and our special guest.
And by we, he means with me!
We got back! We'll see you in Tesco's. Got milk, chocolate milk, or a sandwich we're going to get. I'm debating between a boring cheese sandwich or a happy boring cheesy, guys. It's devastating. Triple cheese. And Chloe's gone for. Yeah, now it's time to look at snacky. All these snacks you choose from. Ooh. All these.
That's different, isn't it?
That's different, yeah. That's pretty cool. I might go for one called Skips. Matcha. Yep.
My cheese triple sandwich.
And you've got sushi. Yep. I've got a matcha from Bemland. You can have a protein shake. It is my protein shake from their matcha from. I have got tomato ketchup and cocktail sauce. Just had a mature cheddar sandwich. I didn't get the skin the egg guy, and we will both see you soon. Bye.